911.
We need police here immediately.
I need an address.
I don't know. What's your address? 3657 Branson Drive right now.
What's going on? What's going on?
There's a fight and he's hitting women, he's hitting men, he's trying to kill people and all kinds of shit.
Who is it?
Please just hurry up.
Who is it?
I don't know his name.
Okay, does he have any weapons?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay, how many people has he hit?
There's 4 people in the house. Oh my God, he's coming in the door. There's 4 people in the house.
Okay, all right, can you tell me, what's he wearing?
He's wearing a tan jacket and a striped shirt and a... Oh my God.
Ma'am, can you tell me?
Hurry up.
Ma'am, they're on their way. I need you to tell me what's going on.
He's sitting here choking another man. Get out!
Hello?
The keys are on your belt! Get out! He's wearing a tan jacket, black and white Nike, Jordan. He's on a black and white, or a green and black moped.
A what?
Green and black moped.
Is he leaving?
Busted out her window. Huh?
Is he leaving?
He's leaving right now. We need an ambulance.
Y'all all right?
Okay, how many people are injured?
1.
Okay, and how bad is the injury?
Do what?
How bad is the injury?
She was just thrown across the room and hit her head off the table.
Is she conscious?
Yes.
Okay, and is she bleeding?
She's breathing. She got a big knot on her head and her lip is bleeding.
Okay, can you just have her stay where she is and try not to move?
Just stay still, please. Just stay still. Just stay still, please. She's got a giant knot on her head. He just threw her across the living room and she had her head on the corner of the table.
I just need you to keep an eye on him, or keep an eye on her, and tell me if she loses consciousness or anything like that. And you don't know if he had any weapons, correct?
I have no idea.
Okay. Had he been drinking, or was he on drugs?
He's been drinking. He's been drinking now.
Try to have her not move.
Linda, you can lay back and just sit there.
Yeah, just have her relax and try not to move.
Try not to move, okay? Just lay back.
Okay, we've got everybody on the way to you, okay?
Okay.
I'll be out with the mail right in front of Brampton. What's going on? Whoa. Turn that off.
What's going on, officer?
Well, you're clearly intoxicated, so get off the moped.
Not say how.
What?
What'd you say?
Get off the moped.
No.
Get off the moped.
No.
Have you been drinking? Huh? $37, I'm already out talking to him.
What's the problem, officer?
You tell me, man. What's the issue?
I had no issue.
Okay.
You fucking with me.
Yeah, because we got called.
Over there.
What?
Tell me to go make contact. You got to call me?
Yeah.
What's the call?
Yeah, you can go over there.
What's the call?
You getting some sort of domestic?
No, sir.
Okay, will you step off and talk with me?
No, I'm talking to you right now.
Okay.
You want me to hold on?
No, if he's stopping
Oh,
here,
you called 1,300 motherfuckers over here. See, I want to shoot me. That's what I want to do.
Stop.
Nope.
Stop.
What's going on?
What y'all want to do then?
Stop.
What's going on?
I'm trying to go home.
Okay, get off the moped and talk to me.
No.
Have you been drinking?
No.
Okay.
What problem calls you
Either
have,
you
sir?
can get off the
What
moped or I'll
problem
get you off
calls
the
you
moped.
have, sir?
Get off the moped or we're going to get you off. Understood?
Okay, that's like, so y'all want to fight me now?
We don't want you, but if
So
you're
why
going
you
to
want to fight me?
We don't want to fight you.
Y'all want to force me on my moped?
We want you off the moped.
That's fighting.
We don't want to fight you.
There's a dog in that car. You fight, you're going to get dog bit.
Let go now.
Get off.
Let go now.
Dog's coming. You're
Why
going to get
y'all
dog
fucking
bit.
with me, man?
You're going to get dog bit.
By a dog.
Get off the moped. You're going to get bit
Why
by a
y'all
dog.
fucking with me, though?
Get off the moped.
Why y'all fucking with me?
Dog's coming. Here! Here! Right here! Stop him! Yeah, bro. Can't deployed. Get your hands behind your back. Get your hands behind your back. Get that arm. Suspect, stop fighting my dog.
Stop fighting the dog.
Quicker.
Stop fighting the dog.
Stop moving. Quicker. Done moving? Yes. Good job. Get your arm. Screw that. Screw that.
Stop, man. Stop. Can you give me a paper?
We're literally right in front of Brampton. You can't miss it.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, shit.
All right, we got to get him to the hospital now.
Hey, we need medics like right now.
Medic
He's
signal
like
10.
in the throat.
Coming signal 10.
I got a fucking thing in my car.
Not gonna matter.
You don't think so? Alright.
You got a towel in your car?
Yeah.
Get it.
.431, we need medic signal 10.
They're coming. We called them signal 10.
Sorry.
It's fine. Everybody chill. Go ahead and go to Victor. You got gloves? Yep. Switch out with me. Keep the pressure on here. Copy that.
Can you breathe? If you need to, spit blood out. Let it, he said let him. Can we set you up?
Help him up. Let him up.
Yeah, let's try to set him up. Set him up. Set up for his boss.
Breathe better now? Yeah.
It's high pressure. I can't really put pressure on you. We'll let you breathe.
38. Plate on the moped. Lincoln 084056.
Huh? You can make it. You're talking, bud. What?
I didn't lie, bro.
What?
I didn't lie.
You did lie?
I didn't lie. I can't.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
I can't.
Now stop moving, buddy. We got them coming.
I can't lie. I'm lying. I'm lying. I can't lie, bro.
You can't lie? I don't understand.
You bitch that shit. I cannot lie.
I don't
I
lie.
cannot lie. You can't lie. You tell me.
What?
I cannot lie.
Where's medics?
388. Get medics here now, please. They need to step it up. Hey, he fought us. K-9 deployed. Got him right here. Yeah.
What are you saying?
He's breathing and talking.
You're lying?
You're lying?
You're lying?
He's got a dog bite to the neck.
Why are you lying? You can't lie?
You can't lie?
You can't laugh.
Yeah. 444, I need someone over there. 84.
Dog bite to your throat.
You want to stand him up?
I don't know if you can.
You gonna be able to stand up?
No, that's... Let's just move the moped.
Probably gonna weigh a lot.
Can you pull this out? Keep on it. Yeah. Grab this way. Alright.
Ready?
Yep. Let's see.
There we go.
Yep.
Can you get some light?
Let's see what we got.
Other
Hey.
side.
Turn your head.
The other way, buddy, so you can check
Turn your
it.
head. Alright.
Oh, he's fine.
Yep.
It's not bad. You'll be alright, bud. I know. You're much tougher than I am, sir. You're fine.
Can I get some help down here? Speaker off.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sorry.
431. You go up there with them. We just ride with.
You ride with me. You ride with me. I'll follow. Alright.
That'll work.
I wanna make sure my car's locked up.
Hey, come back.
388. What the hell? He's loaded up. He's going to St. Fire can disregard.
Work alright?
Come back over to my car real quick. Wait till he's out of here and then we'll
Get back. Vic, I'll meet you there.
Alright.
Bro, they're trying to help you.
Sit back for me.
Sit back. You got a hole in the street yet.
Come on, Flynn.
Stop fighting, man. Stop fighting.
He's gotta be drunk.
Let's check with it.
What the fuck?